Is your Wi-Fi acting like a crowded highway? Let's split it into two super-fast lanes. Splitting your AT&T Wi-Fi into 24 and 5 GHz bands is a game-changer for your home network, offering better performance and letting specific devices shine. First things first, you'll need to log into your AT&T router's administrative interface. The easiest way is usually by typing homegateway.com into your web browser. If that doesn't work, check the sticker on your router for the specific address and your login credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Wi-Fi settings. This might be under a section called Wi-Fi, Wireless, or Network Settings. Look for an option related to dual band or Wi-Fi mode. You'll likely see a setting that combines both bands or a way to disable that. You want to find the option that allows you to manage the 24 GHz and 5 GHz bands separately. This is often labeled as split or enable separate bands. Now you can give your two bands distinct names, called SSIDs. For example, you could name your 24 GHz network, My Home Network 24 GHz, and your 5 GHz network, My Home Network 5 GHz. This makes it easy to know which network you're connecting to. Next, set a strong, unique password for each network, while you can use the same password for both. Using different ones can add a layer of security. Just make sure you remember them. After you've made your changes, be sure to click Save or Apply. At the bottom of the page, your router will likely restart, which might take a minute or two. Once it's back online, you should see your two new Wi-Fi networks appear on your devices. The 24 GHz band offers a wider range, perfect for devices that are further away or don't need blazing fast speeds. Like smart home gadgets, the 5 GHz band is your speed demon, ideal for streaming, gaming, and devices that are closer to the router. Enjoy your optimized Wi-Fi.